Hi, I'm Katie, stay-at-home mom of 4, and I'm here to introduce you to EZ-est Carpet Plus. EZ-est Carpet Plus is the first machine-washable DIY carpet made from 100% recyclable materials that is virtually seamless. We guarantee that if your stain does not come out, we'll replace it for free. But wait, it gets better. EZ-est Carpet Plus is one of the easiest DIY carpets to install. All you need is a broom, a straight edge, tape measure, utility knife, and a marker. First, remove your old and well-loved carpet, or the carpet that your kids loved a little too much. And then sweep any loose particles to ensure that you've got a clean surface. Now that the floor is clean, you'll want to use your tape measure to find the center of the room. Find a way to mark the center of the room, using anything. Really, you can use anything. Now that we've marked the middle of the room, follow the directions. Literally. Start in the middle of the room and lay your carpet until it reaches the walls. After you've got your carpet exactly how you want it, grab your friction tabs and place them at the edges where your carpet meets. Once you finish laying all of your carpet, use your straight edge and knife to create that perfect fit. Now you've successfully completed the easiest DIY flooring carpet project ever. Say goodbye to your fear of carpet because you're worried about mess or spending hundreds of dollars on cleaning supplies. EZ-est Carpet Plus was made for your life's messiest moments.